Homeowners in Flower Mound, TX should schedule garage door maintenance at least once a year, with additional garage door repair as needed. Regular service keeps your door operating safely, prevents breakdowns, and extends its lifespan. Fluctuating temperatures and seasonal weather in Flower Mound make proactive garage door care essential. Annual inspections help spot safety risks like broken springs, faulty sensors, or misaligned tracks. Preventive maintenance saves you from costly emergency repairs caused by worn or damaged parts. Humidity and temperature changes can warp materials and corrode metal components. Lubricate moving parts, inspect safety sensors, and check springs, cables, and rollers regularly. For complex issues, trust a local Flower Mound technician to handle repairs safely and effectively.